In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Fidelity 1099-R. If you took money out of a retirement account last year, you'll likely need a 1099-R for your tax return. This form reports retirement distributions from accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and pensions. Fidelity typically posts these forms online each year, and they're usually available by late January, so you don't have to wait for mail if you prefer a digital copy. To get started, open your browser and go to Fidelity's website at fidelity.com, then log into your account. Make sure you're on a secure network and that you're signing in to the correct username associated with your retirement accounts. Once you're in, look at the top menu and hover over or click on Accounts and Trade. From there, select Tax Forms and Information. This is the central hub where Fidelity stores all of your tax documents, including your 1099-R. Inside Tax Forms and Information, choose View Available Forms. You'll see a list organized by tax year. If you have more than one account, you may also see options grouped by account type. Find the 1099-R for the tax year you need and then select Download PDF. Save the file to a secure folder and consider renaming it with the year so you can find it easily later. It's a good idea to open the PDF and quickly review the details to make sure the taxpayer name, the payer, Fidelity, the distribution amount, and the tax year all look correct. If you don't see a 1099-R, there are a few common reasons. First, if you didn't take a distribution from a retirement account that year, you won't receive a 1099-R. No withdrawal means no form. Second, it may not have been issued yet. Fidelity generally posts these by late January, but timing can vary, so check back if you're looking early. Third, you might be in the wrong place or the wrong account. Make sure you're viewing the retirement account, such as an IRA or 401k, and that you're filtering for the correct tax year. Also remember, a 1099-R is separate from the consolidated 1099 used for regular brokerage accounts, so don't confuse the two. Once you've downloaded your 1099-R, keep it with your other tax documents so you're ready to file. If something looks off, compare it to your own records of distributions for that year. And if you still can't locate the form, revisit the Tax Forms and Information section a bit later in the season. That's it. You now know exactly where to find and download your Fidelity 1099-R quickly and confidently.